What's up, everybody? StickaSteve from STW Wraps here, helping out Jeep Grill skins again. We are now doing an updated version of the Jeep Grill wrap with the newer Jeep Grill skins. These skins do not have the word Jeep cut out like the old ones used to. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to take off the Jeep emblem, clean the sucker down, put on a Jeep Grill skin, and do it like we normally do. So let's get started. First things that I need, or that I have with me, are a squeegee, a razor blade, my heat gun, my alcohol, which is denatured, can be found at any hardware store, a couple of paper towels. Let's limit it to 3 Kirkland Signature brand paper towels. Alright, anyway, what we're going to do is we're going to take our heat gun and we're going to heat up the word Jeep. What this does is gets the word Jeep nice and warm, gets the glue underneath. There we go. If you heat them up enough, there we go. They come off pretty easy. We can set them aside. Alright, so my word Jeep is off. Then I take my alcohol, a few squirts. Alright, all cleaned up. Now I'll take my grill skin. What else can I use here? Maybe a little piece of tape. Alright, let's take a little duct tape. So add duct tape to the list of things you may need. Duct tape, scotch tape, masking tape, whatever kind of tape you have. You know what? Let's go with that. Nah, we're going to do it. Okay, now with the razor blade, what I'm going to do is I'm going to follow around the outside. Closely as I can. I'm going to go around the inside of the headlight. Okay, see that? We just cut it out. It's really close. What this will do is just show me where I should put my grill skin. So I'm going to put my tape on it, stick it to one side. The other side. Feels pretty good. Then what having tape does is it keeps this thing from wriggling around. So take this and pinch it, you know, like we folded a piece of paper. Fold it down, and I'll hold this right where I want it to go. Let's put this thing right where I would like it to end up. I'm going to try not to worry about right now is the exact placement. Okay? Okay, so I have the top stuff. See that? So I folded it, and now I take my tape off. So it frees me to lift this up. Okay, check it out. Now, oh yeah. That's a good part. Okay, with my razor blade, I really like doing this. It really helps out a lot, I feel, because I'll take two lines and I'll just cut right through that last slot on each side, just because it frees up all this tension in the middle. I know one day they'll make a skin that you won't have to cut it, it'll come pre-cut. But it really does make the install a lot easier when those are not there. So the razor blade is a great tool to have. Okay, same thing. What's going to happen now that I have that up, is I can, you know, just position this so well. Okay, the next part is going to be pulling the transfer tape off. And what I want to do is I want to pull it from the outsides and pull it around. I don't want to pull it up. I want to pull it slowly off. So like, keep your hand towards the grill skin. See how I'm peeling it on the same level instead of up and off. You don't want to pull it up because that'll pull your grill skin like right away. You don't want to do that. I'm going to throw my trash on the ground. Okay, now that I have it down, or off just a little bit, I'm going to give this a little stretch. Just a little bit, just to give it some tension. I want this thing to be really set, really nice and tight. That's it. So I pull it up, and then I can pick whichever side I want to have the overlap on. So I want to have it this way. And then the other side, That's it. Now with my hair dryer or heat gun, this is the best part. Hopefully you guys can see this in the video. Alright, let me bring you a little closer here. Come with me. Alright, now. Alright, check out the bubbles if you can. Alright, see how many there are? The big ones up there. Check it out. Bam, all gone. Watch them all go away. Put your back up. Okay, now. Mosquito. Mosquito. Get the mosquito. That's crazy. Alright, I'm checking out mosquitoes. Anyway. I have a squeegee. I could use a credit card. I could use my driver's license. Okay, I've got some bubbles right here. But the material we use is called air egress. So what happens is all the air bubbles. There we go. So I got that air bubble. I don't like it. I want you gone, air bubble. That's it. Little heat, lift it up. Bye-bye. Trying to go as fast as I can. Sorry, a little moment of silence. Anyway, we made these so that they do go down inside the headlights a little bit and inside the slots in the middle, just because the cover, it just gives it a little bit more coverage, wraps in and around instead of just hovering around the outside. We all thought it would be just an overall nicer look having more of the surface area covered. Let's see. Okay, now I also, like I said, I took the Jeep emblem off before. It's got double-sided tape on it, so you know what, honestly, you can still see the glue underneath, which is perfect, because that's where my Jeep had its emblem. Oh. Okay, here's the reveal. Alright, I don't know how long that took, but let's see, 16 minutes. That's the grill skin right there. So, like I said, StickaSteve from STW Wraps doing a Jeep grill skin install for Jeep grill skins, and that's it, man. Stick with it. Don't get overwhelmed. Ask questions, send emails. The best way to do it is to make sure it's in a climate controlled environment. You don't want to be doing this thing outside if the wind is blowing, the rain is coming down, or if it's cold. If I did this on a Jeep, I would make sure that there was no obstacle in front of it, and I would do the same thing, tape it up on the sides, have gravity help me out. You know, this way it's just you know, taped up here, stick the top, and then let gravity pull it down. Same thing though, you know, use the heat gun, just get it all set up, and it should be good to go. It's not as daunting as you may think. It's actually fairly easy in my opinion. But there you have it. 16 to 20 minutes less. I think it's less, and it's probably because I'm yammering. But that's it. Go out and get yours today. cheapgrillskins.com or stickercrate.com. Keep your eye out for wheel skins. What else? We got hood skins coming up. We're going to be doing a lot more videos, so follow us. Check us out. Later.